to my bestest. We finally made it. We might have taken a long way, and it might not be easy, but we still did it. I have no doubt that we will be here because you always assured me with your love. Everything that has happened prepared us for the best and for all the wonderful plans we have. Like we always say to each other, in God's perfect time.
We all know why we are here gathered. Simply because Zeus and Leihzel will receive the sacrament of matrimony.
Congratulations! Finally, the long wait is over na jud, and I can't wait to see little Leihzel and Zeus.
Hope mag-enjoy gyapon mo sa inyong life as husband and wife. Congratulations, best wishes, and good luck!
Salamat kayo guys, kailangan to mo, naglimpa ang uban, ibiyahe ang uban. Thank you kayo. Wow! Oy, Tito! Today, I join my life to yours, not simply as your husband, but as your best friend, your lover, and your greatest supporter. With this ring, I promise to love and respect you. I promise to take care of you and to protect you. I promise to provide for you and for our future family.
Aking sinta, ano bang meron sa iyo?
Thank you for always supporting me, for always loving me, for all your acts of service, and for your sweet surprises. I thank God for binding us together, and I will always pray that He will be the center and anchor of our marriage.
Tingin sa'kin, mapupungay mong mga mata. Wala akong takas sa nakakalunod mong ganda. Halika nga, tingnan mo lang ang aking mga mata.
Thank you very much for raising me as a good man, and I owe everything to you. I love you, Mami.
I love you, Nak. Love to love kita.
My life is forever entangled with yours from this day on. You are my life and my greatest gift. I am very blessed to now call you my loving wife.
I can't wait to achieve our dreams together, especially to have the sons and daughters of Zeus and Hera. But most importantly, I can't wait to enjoy the journey with you.
Marriage is like an empty box, and that box, the two of you should put in together the love, the understanding, acceptance, and love.
This your chain? Do you take Zeus Christopher here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
I do.
Zeus Christopher, do you accept her as your lawful wife?
I do.
On this day, I promise to honor you, to love you, to walk hand in hand wherever this journey will lead us. Together forever, I love you.
Huwag ka lang bibitaw.